Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I've been using my Mic Mini, the DJI Mic Mini, for I don't know how long. I love this set right here, but I decided to jump online and try to find the DJI Mic Mini 2. And you know it's not for sale in the US, but I was able to get one and import it. I even got it at a lower price. There's a reason I'm switching to this microphone as my primary microphone in my office, and this one will go outside with me. And I'll tell you in this video, but let's go ahead and unbox this DJI Mic Mini 2 that I patiently waited for about a week or so. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so here it is. It comes in the same type of pouch it did before. Just make sure you check all these little pockets in here because I was looking for my magnets and everything, and they were kind of stuffed in there. So you get your charging cable, and you get these extra. These come in. It comes with different colors. Now the default comes with these clear ones on, but I've tested this out, so I'll put the black ones on, or like the charcoal gray ones, and I'll show you what it looks like. Really cool. Just comparing the cases. This is the previous gen right here. This is what it looks like for the new one. As you can see here, it's a lot bigger. It says Mini 2 on there, and it's longer and everything, but it's essentially the same type of case, which is what I really like. So in mine, this is the kit that it comes with when it comes to this charging case. You can get this in so many different variations, but I chose to get this with the charging case this way. So there are some magnets up there. Remember to make sure to check everything in the packages, because this is all separately packaged inside of that little gray bag right there. So these magnets come off. This is what it looks like with the front covers on there like that. That's what it looks like. And the wind filters now are on just the top. They no longer latch around. And then this also comes off with the clip. And then that's why you have these magnets right here to go through your shirt now. You don't have to worry about the clip and everything being on the other side of your shirt. So this is what it looks like. And if you want to change these, it just pops off like that because it's magnetic as well. It just slaps on. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the audio. Now the reason that I see how strong those magnets are, the reason that I got this one now versus the Mic Mini, the original one that I've been using for over a year probably, this one is a little bit more, this receiver is for cell phones. And that's what I like. So you can see the transmitter. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see the transmitter just connected. You can see your sync button. You can see the levels here. You can see pass-through, which is really good. So that is why I went with this system right here, this newer one, because this is now offered, which is good. And this is what I was plugging into the phone before. So you see why. And this kind of, it slides off here like this. It's just got these pieces and stuff like that. So this is a really good one, but the good part about this one is the levels are right here, easy to twist. This is bulky. And so now I can store this in here. And that's the reason I didn't buy the complete version for the new one, because I already had a receiver. And then here are the original Mic Minis. You can see the wind muffs are a lot bigger. And the clip is one piece and the magnet goes in the back of the clip. And this used to be inside of your clothes when you would have to put this inside. So just looking at them in size right here, man, this is the world's strongest magnets. Hold on. Just look at it. Come on, man, let go. Just looking at these, let me take the magnets off. Looking at these in size, you can see the difference here. I really like this new where you can put the different colors on there. But this new one is a little bit bigger, folks, so just be mindful of that. But it looks good. You can see the sync buttons are now on that side like that. So they did a few things to reverse things out, but you know, this is what it looks like. This is what you're getting into. And so now I'm going to go ahead and give you a sample. This is a big wind muff too. And the wind muffs, again, they actually clip on the back, and it's actually been redesigned a little bit, you know, so, but the wind muffs just snap on top now, just on the top. So it's really easier with these. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you a sample and plug this in to the phone. I'm going to sample it right here for you in the office. Let's see how much better it sounds, because it actually does sound better than these in my testing already. But I'm going to show you now what the new Mic Mini 2 sounds like. Let's get it. Quick little sample, then we'll get out of here. All right, so now I have it plugged in right here, and I'm really going to enjoy this quality of audio now. It does definitely sound better than the original one, just by a little bit. I don't know what it is. It's a little bit more full. It just sounds good. The Mic Mini sounds really good too, but it just sounds really good to get some kind of upgrade, and plugging it directly into the phone without that big receiver on it. That's a huge win. Now, I'm still using my Mic 2. Remember the Mic 2? That is the audio you just heard from the top-down unboxing portion. So I'll not get rid of this because these are all useful. But this is the Mic Mini 2, and I'm glad I was able to import it and get a really good deal on it. And this is what you'll hear going forward for the audio. Now, obviously, you know I have a big office here. I have all these different high-power microphones, but when I'm doing unboxings and reviews, I'm going to stick with the Mic Mini 2 because I really like how it sounds. Really full. I don't have to adjust the gain much at all. And it's just really nice. I really like it. So there it is. Unboxing first impressions of the Mic Mini 2. And if you decide to import one, I got this from AliExpress and I got it for $75. And I couldn't be happier. It actually sat in customs for longer than it did to ship to me, which is crazy. With all the things going on with the FCC and everything, DJI doesn't operate their US store with many options, if not all. At all. So a lot of things, I tried to buy I have the DJI Pocket 3. I have the 2. I tried to import the 4 and it's not available. It's available in Singapore but they won't ship. Even though I pay with PayPal, they won't ship to me. I have to use the US store. So I wish all that stuff would go away so I can get these products in because I really like them. But I love my Pocket 3 and I like my Pocket 2 as well. So the Pocket 3 with the better sensor is really good. So here is the Mic Mini 2. I'm glad I was able to get one. I hope you guys enjoy the footage and how the audio sounds. And so if you see a more high quality audio, it's going to probably be for the Mic Mini for my reviews. And now this one is going to be used on my car channel. Because I paired it with the Pocket 3 and I have a smaller mic because I was actually using this one on my car channel. Or just when I go outside to vlog, I was using that bigger one. And it's a little big compared to these minis. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.